Hi, my name is Dionna. I'm gonna give you a little backstory. I was 7 years old and I went with my dad for the summer. I knocked 3 of my front teeth out playing, well, we were racing down a big hill on a bike with me and my cousins, and I just splat into the brick wall. So I knocked 3 of my teeth out. So as soon as I saw this, I'm 22 now, but as soon as I saw this, I had to get, because I've been wanting screw-ins and this and that, but it's too much, like way too much. So, I ordered it Friday. They sent it out that Monday. I sent my impressions back, I think, that Tuesday. And they sent my veneers back that Friday. And I literally got them back yesterday, which was a Tuesday. So really, in all, it was a week and a half for everything, impressions to be sent in, back, and everything. So when you get your package, they give you these molds. Sorry, my rabbit scared me. They give you these molds to show you how you did your impressions and stuff, and you can also put your teeth, your veneers on there just to see how accurate it is, and it's very accurate. They send you a toothbrush. Hold on. They send you these polydents. I think that's how you pronounce it. So you can clean your veneers. Make sure y'all really do that. They send you a toothbrush, and then they send you your veneers. I've already tried them on because I got them back yesterday. But these are your veneers. I got Hollywood White. I'm gonna put them on for you, so just give me 1 second. My bad. So it is sometimes hard to speak because I'm not used to having teeth right there, so it is a little weird. But besides that, I love it. I do recommend this out of a 10 out of a 10, especially if you're not confident. Like I said, it's gonna take time to get used to. For a person who's missing teeth on the side or whatever, I don't think it's gonna be that hard to speak. But for a person who's missing their front teeth like me, it's kind of hard because you're so used to not having nothing right there. So, but this is what it looks like. I am in love with it. Thank you again, Pop On Veneers, for bringing my smile back. I do gotta work on my talking, but besides that, thank you.